Hello viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening depending on where you are watching from. This is what a grown-up lazy men and women are doing, kidnapping and bringing in our young girls to do prostitution for them. Such very wicked act. Thank God for using someone to rescue these children. Let Nigbo in Ghana use that as an scapegoat first. It is a sad news here just broke out. So many of our female children under age are now used by traffickers to enrich themselves. Even among these females are including 3 girls from the same parent under age, taken to Ghana. Majority are from Imo State, southeast of Nigeria, being forced out of their own wish when they're supposed to be in school, the leaders of tomorrow. Oh God have mercy. What's this, for Christ's sake? Even the selfish man took his own sister along to the sex market jungle. A good Samaritan spotted them and harvested them from the bad situation and took the underage female victims for questioning. Let us go in details and hear by ourselves. Thanks for watching. Please take this clip to create awareness and make it go viral to save souls of our beloved children.
When is after 2 minutes you cut it? Huh? Speak loud.
My name is Ike Lobichama.
From where, please?
From
Olu where? Huh?
I'm from Imo.
Imo State.
Imo State, yes.
Olu
Yes.
town from Imo State.
Yes.
How long have you been in Ghana?
Just Getting to 1 month now.
What is your name?
My name is Asos Divine.
Divine.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
16 years. My God. How long have you been in Ghana?
27th of this month will make me 2 months.
2 months. You are from Imo State.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Odruke Olebimiraku. I'm from Imo State. That was not
South.
Sorry.
that was out.
Sorry. You will be fine in Jesus' name. God will take care of you, my children. What is your name, sister?
My name is Selina Danjo. I'm from Plateau State.
Oh, mommy. How old are you?
I'm 18 years.
How long have you been in Ghana?
7th of this month will make me 2 months.
Oh.
My name is Odruke Olechukwu.
Speak now, please.
My name is Odruke Olechukwu.
Where are you from? Give
Imo
to
State. Odruke
Imo State.
Mm,
How old are you?
16 years.
16 years. Stand up, let me see you.
My brother, this 1, 2, 3, they are the same mother, the same father.
3 of you are from the same mother,
The same father.
the same father. Have you spoken to your parents?
My
Where are your phones?
This
This is our
You have
phone.
taken all your phones. Who brought you to Ghana?
He's the man. His brother.
The brother.
The brother
He's the brother of this person. He's
the
the
brother
brother
of
of
this
this
one.
Okay. So you are from Imo State. 16
The
years.
same mother, the same father.
14th
Three.
October will make me 16 years.
Jesus Christ. So you are still 15 plus. And you have been in Ghana. And what have they been doing to you? They
Yeah.
take you out to see men. You see men.
Prostitute work.
And they pay you.
No, they don't pay me. Any money we work, they took it. We give them every single
15 years.
Every single day.
See our children in diaspora, 15 years. Out of their own wish. Children are supposed to be in school. These are the great future leaders of Nigeria in diaspora. 15 years. 3 children from one father, same mother from Imo State. That's it.
Regulation. This is the country we belong to. So it's not working. This is the country we belong to. So it's not working.